In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to organize web application in HCL ZIETrans. To create a new project in ZIETrans Toolkit, go to File, move the cursor to New, and click ZIETrans Project. On the project console, specify a name for the project. Now, provide a name for the enterprise application project. Select the Optimize options for mobile devices checkbox, and click on Next. Specify connection settings. Click on Finish. Now, the Test1 project is created with associated EAR. Let us create another project Test2. Associated with a new EAR by changing Enterprise Application Project. Click on Finish. Now, the Test2 project is created with associated EAR. Similarly, create Project 3. Associated with a new EAR by changing Enterprise Application Project. Click on Finish. Test3 project is created with associated EAR. Now, add EARs to the deployed on server. Click on Finish. Now, start the server. Initially, there are 4 projects in the workspace. Project Test4 is imported as folder into the workspace. Click on Project EAR to which we want to add WAR file to. Click the folder to find application.xml. Double-click on application.xml to open in the editor. To add WAR, click on Add button. In the Add Item dialog box, click on Module and click OK. Click the module to add, and click Finish. To add another WAR, click on Add. Now, save the application.xml. Add EARs, to be deployed on server. Click on Finish. Finally, start the server. In application.xml, under Meta Info folder of ZIETrans Test 3 EAR, select the war to remove. Click on Remove. Save the application.xml. Now, add EARs to be deployed on server. Click on Finish. Finally, start the server.